Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade Beachy Waves hairspray. It's really simple and will stay fresh for about 2 weeks in the fridge. This hairspray is great for an all-natural curl and it smells amazing. To be honest, I don't know how well it works on straight hair because I've only used it on my own hair, but if you try it and have straight hair, please leave a comment and let me know if it makes your hair wavier or curlier. First, you need to gather your ingredients, which are as follows. 1 cup filtered water, half a teaspoon jojoba oil, half a teaspoon pink Himalayan sea salt, 5 drops grapefruit essential oils, half a cup coconut water, 5 drops tea tree oil, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. You will also need a spray bottle, measuring utensils, and a funnel. Here are the ingredients benefits. Please feel free to pause and look them over if you want. First, we add our cup of water to the bowl. Next, we add our half teaspoon of jojoba oil. After that, we add our half teaspoon of pink salt to the mix. We add our grapefruit next. I didn't realize I was running out of mine, so I took the dropper cap off just to put in the last bit that I had. After that, we have our tea tree oil, and you really don't need much because it's pretty strong, just about 3 drops. We add our coconut water, just half a cup. And last but not least is our apple cider vinegar, and you only need a splash of it since it's strong. Next, we stir up our ingredients with a spatula just until it looks something like this. Then we pour some of the mixture in a glass jar to save, and the rest we are going to pour into our spray bottle. Very carefully. And that's it. That is the finished product. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe if you'd like to see more beauty videos. Bye guys.